Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a week where there's a new version of Firefox. So if you look at the Firefox web browser, you will see that going on the hamburger menu on the right upper right corner, going down to Help and About Firefox, you will have version 144.0 rolling out. So what is in here? Well, first of all, there's a few new features. There's a feature where managing the different profiles within your Firefox browser, so that you have different users, or maybe you have like a profile for work, a profile for other stuff that you do on the web. They'll be more beautiful and easier to manage. And so this is one of the changes. The other change is in tab groups. When you start creating tab groups, what happens with the tab groups is that they are going to basically have a better visibility and easier way to work together. So tab groups will, of course, have an active tab that you'll see and in the tag group that is visible. And when you've collapsed the tab group, you will know if a tag is, of course, active or not in it. And of course, the way that it collapses and opens are changed also. So these are few, visual effects and usable features that are being changed in here. AI. You know that you see here I have Copilot right now, but they've added that Perplexity AI, if you want, to the list. So you can check out that new AI there. A few little things like that. Translations are added for several languages. New search for images and for anything on a web page using Google Lens will be possible, things like that. Also, more than 20 security fixes. Several of them are high severity. So if you don't care for new features, but you do want to stay safe, then go to version 144 for the only purpose of staying safe on the internet, because this is very important. A lot of the high severity flaws are easy to exploit. So this will keep your browser safe. So check it out. Firefox 144, available today, October 14th, 2025. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.